No see you. They no see you.
Okay.
You want me?
Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you very wonderful food. So guys can see this is my brother's lunch. You can see how he's enjoying himself. This is ofada rice mixed with porridge beans, and you can see the sauce, enough meat. So guys can see how he's enjoying the food. So he say you guys will come and join him eating his lunch, and you can see ofada rice mixed with porridge beans. Wow, it's very yummy. So guys can see, so you eat this food, you enjoy yourself. You can see, so it's very yummy. So ofada rice well prepared and porridge beans mixed together. Wow, you guys, you never see that kind of combination before. Is it the first time for you to see this combination of ofada rice mixed with beans, porridge beans? This is a very nice combination. If you try it, you will see that it's very nice and delicious. So you can see how he's enjoying the food. This, wow. He's enjoying it. Wow. Hey, it's a very sweet food though. Guys enjoying it. So it's like I'll join him and enjoying the food. So by me, I did put ofada rice on my own. I eat beans and yam porridge. Wow. Thanks for watching. Please kindly subscribe and comment. Share it to your loved ones. See you in my next video. I love you all. Bye.